Achieving a flat tummy is a goal many strive for, whether for aesthetic reasons, health benefits, or simply to feel more comfortable in our own skin. While there is no magic solution or quick fix, incorporating certain lifestyle changes and exercises can significantly help you reach your goal. In this article, we will explore 9 proven tips that can help you achieve the flat tummy you desire. From exercise routines to dietary changes, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started on your journey. 1. Planking, a core strengthening exercise. When it comes to exercises that target the core, planking is one of the most effective moves you can incorporate into your routine. Do we drink lots of water? How does improving my posture help anything? Wait, I've heard of planking, but that's an exercise move? We're talking all of that and more. Planking involves laying flat on your stomach and holding yourself up by your elbows in a straight line from head to heels. This position engages multiple muscle groups, including your arms, biceps, back, thighs, and most importantly, your abdominal muscles. To perform a plank, start on your hands and knees. Lower your forearms to the ground while keeping your elbows aligned under your shoulders. Extend your legs behind you and rise onto your toes. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for as long as you can, aiming for at least 30 seconds to start. As you build strength, try to increase the duration of your hold. Planking not only strengthens your core but also improves stability and posture, which can contribute to a flatter appearance. 2. Reduce stress. The cortisol connection. Stress is often an overlooked factor when it comes to weight gain and difficulty losing belly fat. When we experience stress, our bodies produce cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and lead to cravings for unhealthy foods. When cortisol levels are elevated for prolonged periods, it can result in the accumulation of fat around the abdomen. Therefore, managing stress is crucial for achieving a flat tummy. Consider incorporating stress-reducing activities into your daily routine. Meditation. Spend a few minutes each day focusing on your breath and clearing your mind. Yoga. This practice combines physical postures with mindfulness and deep breathing, helping to reduce stress levels. Deep breathing exercises. Take time throughout the day to pause and engage in deep breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. By reducing stress levels, you can help keep cortisol in check and minimize its impact on belly fat. 3. Drink water, the calorie-free solution. One of the simplest yet most effective tips for achieving a flat tummy is staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Out of all the methods we're listing in today's video, this may be the most practical. Water is 100% calorie-free. Most health professionals recommend drinking about 2 liters or half a gallon of water per day. However, individual needs may vary based on factors such as activity level and climate. Drinking enough water can trick your body into believing it's full, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Moreover, staying hydrated aids digestion and helps flush out toxins from the body. To ensure you're getting enough water, carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day. Set reminders on your phone to drink water regularly. Infuse water with fruits or herbs for added flavor if plain water feels monotonous. 4. Do Pilates, targeting hard-to-reach muscles. Pilates is an excellent workout method that focuses on core strength and stability, while also improving flexibility and posture. As your core goes to work, your transversus abdominis is targeted. This is a muscle located in your abdominal region that is normally very hard to reach. A good Pilates workout will engage both your internal and external obliques simultaneously, helping you achieve a flatter stomach more quickly than expected. Consider joining a local Pilates class or following online tutorials if you're new to this form of exercise. Beginner Pilates. Start with basic moves that focus on alignment and breathing. Intermediate, advanced Pilates. As you progress, challenge yourself with more complex movements that further engage the core. Incorporating Pilates into your weekly routine can enhance overall core strength while promoting better posture. 5. Eat fiber. The digestive aid, incorporating fiber-rich foods into your diet can significantly aid in achieving a flat tummy. Fiber decreases the number of calories you're able to absorb by slowing down food passing through your digestive tract. This means you'll feel fuller longer without consuming excess calories. Foods high in fiber include fruits, berries, apples, vegetables, broccoli, carrots, whole grains, oats, quinoa, legumes, Beans, lentils. Aim for at least 25 grams of fiber per day by including these foods in each meal. Not only will this help control hunger levels, but it will also promote healthy digestion, a key factor in maintaining a flat stomach. 6. Cut the carbs. Watch your intake. When trying to lose weight, especially belly fat, it's essential to monitor carbohydrate intake closely. Keeping with the theme of diet, one must watch their carbohydrate intake if they are properly going to shed fat from their bellies. Refined carbohydrates such as white bread, pastries, sugary snacks, and even some pasta can lead to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, followed by crashes that leave you feeling hungry again soon after eating. Instead of refined carbs, opt for whole grains like brown rice or whole grain bread. Focus on complex carbohydrates found in vegetables and legumes. Limit processed foods that often contain hidden sugars. By cutting down on refined carbs while focusing on healthier alternatives, you'll be better equipped to achieve that flat tummy you desire. 7. Incorporate cardio. Burn calories effectively. While strength training is essential for building muscle mass and toning up, cardiovascular exercise plays a crucial role in burning calories and reducing overall body fat, especially around the abdomen. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise per week, which could include activities like brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing. To maximize fat loss, incorporate high-intensity interval training, hiit sessions, into your routine. These short bursts of intense activity followed by rest periods can boost metabolism significantly. Find activities you enjoy. This will make it easier to stay consistent with cardio workouts over time. 8. Get enough sleep. The overlooked factor, sleep, is often an underrated aspect of health, but it plays a significant role in weight management as well. Lack of sleep disrupts hormonal balance within the body, leading to increased hunger hormones, ghrelin, while decreasing satiety hormones, leptin. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a bedtime routine that promotes relaxation before sleep. Create an environment conducive to restful sleep. Darkness helps signal our bodies it's time for rest. By prioritizing sleep as part of your wellness plan, you'll find it easier not just physically but mentally too. 9. Stay consistent. The key to success. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, consistency is key when striving towards any fitness goal. It's easy to get discouraged if results don't come quickly. However, small changes over time add up significantly. Create realistic goals based on achievable milestones, rather than aiming solely for perfection every single day. Track progress regularly, whether through measurements or photos, to celebrate successes along the way. Remember that everyone's journey looks different. What works best may vary from person to person, so listen closely and adapt accordingly. Achieving a flat tummy requires dedication, but implementing these 9 proven tips can set you on the right path towards success. From engaging exercises like planking and Pilates, to making mindful dietary choices such as increasing fiber intake and cutting refined carbs, each step brings you closer. Don't forget about lifestyle factors like hydration and stress management either. They play vital roles too. With patience and persistence combined with these strategies, you'll be well equipped not only physically but mentally ready too. Start today and embrace healthier habits. Your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more insightful tips, and together, let's smash those health and fitness goals and inspire each other along the way.